we could take a teaspoon of blood from any one of you, or a skin sample, and put that in a dish, and just by adding 4 proteins, just 4, that were so powerful they could go in your genome and flip a bunch of switches and turn thousands of genes on and off, we could reprogram your adult cell and take it back in time. So now it behaved just like your own embryonic stem cell that was in you when you were only 5 days after being fertilized. It's phenomenal. The property of a cell like that is that it can turn into any of the cell types in our body. And so the beauty of this now is you can take a cell from a patient with Alzheimer's, turn it into a brain cell, and now you've got cells in the dish right in front of you that came from the patient with disease, have the genetic variant you want to study, and now you can both figure out why is that cell going wrong, and can I find a drug that would reverse that?